Hi everyone! Today, we will be learning how to use the affiliate program by IDX Solana. It is actually pretty simple. There are only 2 or 3 steps you need to follow to sign up. So, what is the first step? You either log in or sign up on the platform. Now, don't forget, your password should be 8 characters long and must be a mix of alphabets, special characters, and numerical values. Next, we send an OTP to the email you entered. Once you receive that and verify it, we will log in right into the dashboard. Ready for the next part? We have to click on Refer at the top and enter your Solana wallet address. This is the address where you want to earn all those referral benefits. And there it is. You will get your referral link. Just copy it and share it with your audience or anyone you want to refer. Now here is the amazing part. On every single recharge they do on the platform, not just the first time, but every recharge, you will receive a 5% cashback. Plus, they will receive a 10% discount on their very first recharge. It is a win-win for both you and your audience. Thank you.